Is your 2016-2018 Nissan Altima key fob not working from a distance or requiring multiple button presses? It likely needs a new battery. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY replacement. The key fob uses a common CR232 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver. A replacement battery typically costs $5 to $10. Before starting, ensure your car is off and the keys are out of the ignition. Remember to recycle your old battery responsibly. First, locate the small notch on the side of your key fob, usually near the key ring. Gently use your screwdriver to pry open the two halves. Do not force it. Once open, note the orientation of the CR2032 battery, positive side up. Use your fingernail or the screwdriver to pop out the old battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together firmly. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car from a distance. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or try a new battery.